What? We're going in the rain. Hold hands. We're walking down the street. Into the pouring rain. No, we're going this way, guys. Past the flowers. Virginia, you coming? Katie, you going? Guys, hold hands. It's a right downpour. Hard to tell it.
Rain!
Yeah.
We must be in England.
And if you're ever back here again,
thank you so
call in
much.
and say hello, won't you, Virginia?
Oh, we will? Or maybe we'll do a driving holiday up here next.
Yes.
Alright, we've lost him. Lost him in the rain. Come on, Virginia. You good?
Thanks so much.
No problem. Have a good adventure.
Thank you.
Right, see you later. That doesn't look like it's going to stop in a hurry, does it? That
No.